In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a seamless tiling pattern material in Clip Studio Paint. By the end, you'll know how to turn any design into a reusable, repeating pattern you can drag onto any canvas in just a few seconds. Start by getting your design onto the canvas. You can draw something from scratch or import an image you want to use as a pattern. Aim for a clean, well-defined design. If you're planning a seamless repeat, try to keep the edges consistent so the pattern looks continuous when it tiles. High-resolution artwork helps keep details crisp, and a transparent background is useful if you want the pattern to overlay other colors or illustrations. Once your design is ready, selected on the canvas, you can select the whole layer or just the portion you want to turn into a pattern. A simple rectangular selection works well for most patterns, especially if you've planned the edges to meet cleanly. Make sure the area you select is exactly what you want to repeat. With the artwork selected, go to the top menu and choose Edit, then Register Material, and then Image. This opens the registration dialog where you'll tell Clip Studio Paint how to treat your selection as a material in the dialog Enable Tiling. Turning on tiling is the key step that tells the program to repeat the image seamlessly across any space you apply it to. Think of it like turning your design into wallpaper that can extend as far as you need without visible breaks. Give your material a clear, memorable name so you can find it later. A descriptive name that includes the pattern type or purpose can save you time when your material library grows. When you're happy with the settings, confirm to save it. Clip Studio Paint will add it to your material palette automatically. Now open your material palette and locate the new pattern. If you don't see it immediately, check the image material section. When you find it, simply drag the material from the palette onto your canvas. As soon as you drop it in, Clip Studio Paint will tile it for you. You'll see the design repeat across the area, creating a seamless pattern layer you can move, resize, and arrange like any other asset. That's it. You've turned a single design into a flexible tiling pattern. Use this method to build a library of textures, motifs, and fills you can reuse across illustrations, comics, and design projects.